Hello students, how are you? My name is Marjan Tanıştıkova. I'm English teacher of Новый Secondary School ISU. Our today's new theme, flags of the world.
Learning objectives deduce meaning from context in short texts on a limited range of familiar general and curricular topics. Repeat after me new words. Design, golden, beam, patron saint, step eagle, ornamental pattern, background, government. Task number 1. Read the text. Every country has got a flag. Here are some flags of the world with some interesting designs. Picture number A. This is the flag of Kazakhstan. Picture number B. This is the flag of the United Kingdom. Picture number C. This is the flag of Wales. Answer questions. Look at the flags. Which flag has got on it? A dragon, a golden sun, crosses. Which one is the Union Jack? Task number 2. Read the text and mark the sentences true or false. For example, the flag of Kazakhstan has a golden eagle over the golden sun. It is false because a golden eagle below the golden sun. Task number 3. Match the countries to the nationalities right in your notebook. For example, the UK, nationality British. So, what have you learned today? Was it interesting for you? How do you feel yourself and what marks can you give to yourself? Answer these questions. Your homework. Fill the table in, please. You have to write the country, the capital, the nationality, and choose the right national flag.
Do you like today's lesson? Our lesson is over. Goodbye.